How to add book now button on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram application. Then when your Instagram is opening, you go down and open your profile. Then you go to edit profile and click, and then you go to action option, and then you go to book now, and then you would choose the website you want to connect to your Instagram business profile. For example, Book in Beautiful, and then they will load you in their sites of this Book in Beautiful, and then you will connect with them, and then they will add this button for you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next